Is your system drive running low on space, causing performance issues or update failures? In today's tutorial, we'll walk through a safe and effective method to expand the C drive even if the unallocated space is not adjacent using professional partition software. Let's begin with a step-by-step approach to ensure your data remains intact and your system remains stable. Method 1. Merge partitions. Step 1. Open AOMEI Partition Assistant. Find the disk you want to expand in the main interface. Right-click and select Merge Partitions and More. Step 2. In the pop-up, select Unallocated Space, which can be used to expand the hard disk even if it is not adjacent. Then click OK. Step 3. Return to the main interface and click Apply. Method 2. Allocate free space. Step 1. In the main interface, select the partition with free space, right-click and select Allocate free space. Step 2. In the pop-up, select the space you want to allocate and the target disk. Then click OK. Step 3. Return to the main interface and click Apply. Wait for the program to complete automatically. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.